we're getting ready to hang the vinyl. We want to pull the tape off. We want to pull it off on the top and about 3 feet on the side to keep the vinyl straight.
Making sure the whole thing is correct, and then I'm going to eventually roll it.
Underneath that is a two-sided tape, and the reason we have it is so it holds the vinyl till we put the cap on. That way the vinyl's not moving. And you just want to line this vinyl with the top of the frame, not with the tape, but with the frame itself. And then go down the side 2 or 3 feet to help keep it straight. And then just all the way down, just keep it on the top of the frame. Don't overhang it because then the cap won't go on right. Then just press it down.
All right, now that we've got the vinyl hung, we've stretched it and adhered it all the way across the top. Now it comes to the bottom. Real quick, people ask about the tape a lot. This tape is basically an installation aid. This yellow liner will come off. It's very, very tacky. It maintains its adhesion for life. Then we use that to stick the vinyl across, and that's temporary. It holds it in place with no wrinkles until the top cap goes on. As soon as the top cap, which we call the cover plate, goes on, it will clamp everything together and tension the vinyl, and the tape is then a non-factor. What holds it in place and provides durability at 70 miles an hour, 10 hours a day, is the clamping mechanism with the 2 pieces of aluminum coming together.
You want to pull the bottom tape off. You know, so you want to pull this cover off. Then you want to make sure that you always start in the middle of the truck. If you start at one of the ends, you're going to get wrinkles. Always start in the middle of the truck and pull straight down. You don't have to pull real tight, just a little taut, just to make it taut and work to one side or the other, but never start on the ends. Always start in the middle.
All right, I'll go that way, you go that way?
Sure.
All right. Also, it doesn't take a lot of muscle. The vinyl has its own shape, and that's the shape we're going for, the original shape. Don't have to muscle it. It's mainly just get it taut, like Fino said, wrinkle-free, and work your way across. Okay, the bottom is now stretched all the way across. So then we go to the sides. And much like the bottom where you start in the middle and work your way to the corners, you do the same thing on the vertical sides. You start in the center and work your way down and then back to center, and we'll work our way up. And then once that's done, because this vinyl is a little larger than the frame, we're going to use the frame as a natural straight edge to trim all the way from top to bottom, and then it's time for the cover plate.